Simple microscope. Look at this ray diagram. This is a double convex lens. X dash represents the principal axis. F is the focus of the convex lens. OB is the object which is placed within the optic center and focus of the convex lens. A ray parallel to the principal axis, after refraction from the lens, passes through the principal focus. Another ray which is passing through the optic center goes without any refraction. These refracted rays will never meet, whereas if we extend these refracted rays, they may meet at point M, where we get the virtual image IM. For the object OB, virtual image is formed on the same side of the lens. Moreover, the image is erect and enlarged. For a person observing these rays, he can see the virtual image at the position IM at least distance of distinct vision. Now, what is the object distance? It is the distance of the object from the optic center, which is taken as U. V is the image distance. What is the magnification of the simple microscope? Magnification equal to image distance divided by object distance, which is V by U. We know, according to the lens equation, 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Multiply the equation throughout with V. V by V minus V by U equal to V by F, or 1 minus V by U equal to V by F. So we got the equation for magnification, M equal to 1 minus V by F. Now, if V is minus D, because the distance of the image is measured opposite to the direction of the incident ray. Moreover, V equal to least distance of distinct vision capital D with a negative sign. V equal to minus D. Therefore, M equal to magnification equal to 1 minus D by F, which is 1 plus D by F. Next, let us see compound microscope. Image at least distance of distinct vision capital D. Look at the ray diagram. It consists of two lenses, objective lens O and eye lens E. Objective lens has focal length FO and eye lens has focal length FE. FO is shorter than FE, or FO is less than FE. OB is the object which is placed in front of the objective lens O, beyond FO. It forms a real and inverted image at I dashed M dashed. So for the objective lens, OB is the object, I dashed M dashed is the image. The image I dashed M dashed is the object for the eye lens or eyepiece. The ray which is parallel to principal axis from I dash M dash passes through Fe after refraction from the eye lens. Another ray which passes through the optic center of the eye lens goes without any deviation. These two refracted rays will never meet. But for an observer, he feels that these rays are coming from a point M. So he sees an enlarged, virtual and inverted image at position IM. So OB is the object for the microscope and IM is the final image. Now let us see what is meant by the term magnification. M equal to MO into ME, where MO is the magnification of the objective and ME is the magnification of the eyepiece. For the compound microscope, magnification equal to L by FO into D by FE. MO is the magnification of the objective, ME is the magnification of the eyepiece, L is the length of the microscope, FO is the focal length of the objective, FE is the focal length of the eyepiece, capital D is the least distance of distinct vision.